love the look of dried oranges mixed with simple greenery. I love that it's natural decor and they have a slightly imperfect homemade look. While the drying time for the oranges is a little long, it's overall a really simple project. You're going to start by cutting oranges into thin slices. Pat the orange slices dry with a towel and place on baking sheets lined with parchment paper. Bake at 225 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour. I usually do multiple trays at once. After an hour, flip the slices over and bake for another hour. Near the end of that hour, check to make sure slices aren't getting too browned. Keep baking and checking every 15 to 20 minutes or so, taking out the ones that are browning. You want the slices to be just barely brown around the edges. Place slices on a cooling rack and let them dry out for another day or so. I like to set mine by heat vents to help with the drying out process. To make the orange garland, you can use either a needle and string or floral wire. Both are just about as easy to do as far as getting the slices on. The floral wire is nice because you won't need a needle and the wire blends into greenery. If you're using needle and string, be sure to use a needle with a large eye so that the string fits through easily. You're just going to come up through the back of the orange slice and go back down through, leaving a tiny bit of space. Slide the orange slice down the string or wire and keep threading on more slices. The oranges can tear easily, so just be gentle while threading them on. Make sure to leave extra string or wire at the ends to hang the garland with.